Hey guys, Dennis from DC Super Shine here. Working on this diamond plate box, and it's about a year old. I polished this last year. This is his spare truck, so it probably sits 4 or 5 months out of the year, so it's not all that bad. So I'm using the green bar from Inzerna to do the initial cut. And it's leaving a bunch of black residue. It is pretty hot today. It's probably close to, I don't know, it's approaching 40 with the humidex here today. Celsius, that is. And then what I'm going to use to clean this up is the blue bar from Matchless. This is the only bar that's not Inzerna that I use. It's called the Blue Clean. It has a soapy feel to it, so it cleans all of the residue right off and gives it a really nice shine. So the orange and yellow blend with the green bar at 6,000 RPM to cut. And then I'm going to use the same pad. I'm going to clean it really good with my rake here. I'm going to clean it really good with my rake. And then use the same pad with the Matchless Blue, again at 6,000 RPM to clean it up. So anyways, let's see what it looks like whenever it's done. Okay guys, so there it is. That's done with the Matchless. Now you guys, I don't know if you guys can tell here in the video, but there is a little bit of black residue left still from the Matchless because it is very hot out here. So there is a little bit left over. So what I'm going to do is just grab the Blue Flash. It's a liquid metal polish that I use for finishing, and clean it up one more time with that. It'll remove all that black, give it a little bit more of a shine and protection, and it'll look great once it's done.